Well, we definitely didn't need any more ducks, and we weren't even really sure if these ones would hatch. But with a lot of luck, the abandoned duck eggs we received from a friend hatched into our 5 brand new baby mallard ducklings.
This guy was going like, I taught him how to do that.
Oh, is that?
Yes, it is.
Oh, that one's Webby.
Yeah. Hi, Webby. Webby's fast.
What's really funny is a lot of days we wonder if we can handle any more animals on our farm.
Preening.
He's so cute.
Wait, what is their bill?
That's their beak.
Oh.
And yet, here we are with 5 new ducklings, and all we can say is, welcome little dudes to 4 kids and a farm.
What are we doing tonight?
Planting our watermelons,
Yep.
pumpkins, and other stuff.
Planting the watermelons that the kids started in the garden. We started them in cups. What do you got?
I got a scaly bark watermelon.
What do you got, baby?
I got a watermelon.
Yay!
And then I got a duck on my shoulder.
Yes.
And I got a duck on my shoulder. So these are the watermelons I planted. 3 of them have sprouted. Oh wait, no. Yeah, 4 of them. Yeah, one's starting right there.
Woo woo! So cool.
I'm so excited.
Is this what you have?
Yeah.
What is it?
This one's
Oh, there's a scaly bark.
watermelon.
Yeah.
And my Alibaba.
Alibaba. So cool.
Buddy. Word. Alibaba.
This one's there.
All right. This was actually gifted to us from a friend. It's a beautiful, gigantic pumpkin.
But then
Because pumpkins are sold out right now, and we were looking to grow a pumpkin. But, man, our friend gave us this one. And it got,
Hailed on.
yeah, it got hailed on. We had like a crazy hailstorm, and it ripped through like the leaves. But it's actually doing pretty good. It started producing some new pretty leaves. So it's rocking. We're going to see how it does. We'll plant that today too. All right, you guys, this is the garden update. We just got wood chips, which is awesome, and we mulched the pathways. So cool. So exciting.
Looking pretty cool.
It's looking pretty cool. So I had some purple potatoes that we got from the store, these organic ones. We just planted them because they got old and they started to sprout. Man, they were just like going crazy. And this one was a yellow potato.
There's a pretty flower.
Oh, I know, my last ranunculus. All by itself.
It's just like I'm lonely.
I'm lonely.
I'm lonely.
I'm alone.
And the garlic
This
is
is like
coming along. Look, the garlic scapes. They're starting to come in. We're gonna have to harvest those pretty quick. These are the blooms of the garlic. But if you take them off and you pick them, they taste like little garlics. They're kind of cool. Kind of cool. They're so pretty.
Pick.
All right, turkeys. You ready?
No.
How did she get grass in her?
I don't know. Okay, grab the seeds. Let's go.
Uh-huh.
You want to see us plant? Yeah, we're planting the garden, girls. Girls and babies.
Now they're quiet.
They're just hungry. All right, you ready to do this?
Is that a question?
All
Do birds fly?
So these are the mounds that we built a while back, and we're gonna mulch them because we finally got some mulch, but they've got some weedies that we'll get rid of. All right, dude, get to it. You ready? Put it back into, so you're gonna reuse the dirt, right? So just put to the side and then dig a hole deep enough for it to fit.
And I'll do my twins right here. Yeah, I'm gonna need to do it way deeper than that.
Like loosen up the bottom of the cup. That helps loosen up the soil, and then just tip it up into your hand. Like tip it upside down into your hand and just be careful of the roots, because that's like the most important part. Yeah, keep going. You got, don't be afraid. You got it. There you go.
Okay, the roots are, oh.
There you go. Boom, baby.
Look at the Captain Toad carrots. Captain Toad carrots?
Oh, why are you picking the Captain Toad carrots?
Should I put some mulch on top? Silly goose. Should I put some mulch on
Yeah,
top?
we'll mulch them. We'll mulch tomorrow. So cover up all the roots with the dirt that you pulled out of it. There you go. Good job, bud.
Alright.
Then you gotta give it a good water, buddy. Our sweet friends gave us these cute little flowers. So what you do is you take them and you soak them, and in that paper are the little seeds of flowers. Isn't that cute? So we're gonna soak them overnight and then we're gonna plant them. Oh my gosh. We had our soil covered so the weeds would stop growing. It's always good to keep your soil covered, guys, because it helps protect it. Alright, so keep your dirt to your side. Don't lose it, you gotta put it back in there, silly goose. So tip it upside down with your hand. Nope, nope, don't, you're gonna lose it. There you go. There you go. Alright, and then wiggle it like this. Wiggle it, and it slowly starts to come out. Oh! Uh-oh. Well, supposed to. Okay, you got your hand. Try it again. See how it comes out? Okay, now the very important part, buddy, is the roots. Don't rip the roots, and just put them down in the ground. There you go. It's okay.
He said, I'm okay.
It's okay. So, cover them up. Cover them all the way with dirt, and then we'll give them a good water, okay? Good job helping me, brother. Okay, it's gonna plant the big pumpkin.
I got this
Because his, yeah, his peppers didn't make it
got this
to
little
germination.
buddy.
They were good peppers.
Yeah, they were good peppers.
Oh, what you got?
But then they died. My little tiny one. Is this water?
That, okay. You're gonna plant it there?
Yep.
All right.
I'm gonna put all mine there. Oh my gosh.
You good? Gardening's hard work, huh?
Mhm.
And then we'll take it out of its container. So, I know this guy is big. Remember how we drew in with the cups? So we're just gonna kind of break up the bottom. Break up the bottom, squish it a little bit, and then just slowly dump it out. I'll hold right here. Slow. Oh, there he goes.
Wow.
Yep. And so that's how you do it. So grab it by the bottom, and then just stand it up. Woo.
It's a floppy fish.
It's a floppy fish. There you go. Real life planting with children. So I planted some Gerardelle pumpkins. They're like the pretty grayish ones. So we're gonna put those babies in.
sun is setting. The kids are doing awesome though. Get your kids in the dirt. Do it.
We're losing light. Thank you for being part of our channel, and if you're not, please like and subscribe. If you're into what we're doing, ring that notification bell. We'll put these other videos up here of how we are learning to grow our own food. How about a little bit of garden video right there? And how about right here in Rachel's face, we will put the gardening with Leon video right here. It'll be right here, okay? Right. Thanks again, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, guys.
Thank you for watching 4 Kids and a Farm.
For kids and
See you next time.
farm.